Yeah, good morning. Very good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Jai Hind, sir. Jai Hind. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Wow, that's great. Everyone is on the track. So everybody can look at my screen, both the screen. Can you please type 5 on the Q&A section? There is a Q&A section. Good morning. Good morning. Can you please type 5 on the Q&A section? Everyone, I want a reply respond from everyone. If anybody is not responding and replying, it becomes like, for me, I must think twice. What's happening? Hey guys, come on, Monday. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So many fives. Who are lazy, please come back. Don't be lazy. Come on, cheer up. I hope everyone has done your breakfast at least. Traders, coffee, tea, whatever you want. Back, very strong. So, okay, that's cool. That's okay. So beautiful. So everyone has typed. Thank you so much. So my charts are visible to you. It's super clear for you. So why I kept the two charts is, in case anytime it may happen with you and me also. So sometimes some brokers or client, any terminals can lag. So that's the reason I have kept it. So I hope you have read the disclaimers. Welcome to live trading with Matt 1.0 learning. So classes already have mentioned. Evening, it's going to be like from 9 to 10 p.m. We'll conduct the classes. The reason is lot of people who are working in IT so mentioned me that, sir, I can come back very late. So it will be like 8:30, 8 o'clock, 7:30 some people. So 80% of people are working people over here who wants to change their career slowly with knowledge without mistakes. So that's the reason I have made this. So and live trading, it will be the same 9 to 10:30. There is no change ever. So I'm planning to change it to 9 to 10:40. So let's see how it's going to work. So I hope everybody has heard the Q&A, disclaimers very well. So get ready with the markets, get ready for the markets. So let me come to the very important and interesting point over here. So today markets, it all depends upon how market makers want to make money on it. So that is very important point. It always remains the same. So I request all of you to balance your work routine and try to start meditating every day, at least for 5 minutes. So get some positive vibes, focus, just point blank. You want to be very clear in what you're doing. So very new to markets. I don't have anyone over here. So all have already tuned up to the markets, at least with one or other thing, well concerned and connected with the markets. So that is very happy for me. So gapping up markets, I want a gap down. It's fine if they're gapping up. I don't care. Reason number one is based on news. I think so because Chandrayaan news, for that reason they may be doing or something. But I don't bother on that too much. To be very honest with you, precisely. And in daily time frame, market closed specifically on Friday above the ranges, so that I was little happy with that. There was a lot of reason. It closed above the 50-day moving averages. Basic normal things that everybody catch up that. So basic in daily time frame. So let's see how market is going to act. And you can see this chart on Fin Nifty, how tomorrow's Fin Nifty expiry. So keep in the mind. So how much Fin Nifty is gapping up? Okay, 20,062. So it's okay. Somewhere over here. It's good, not bad. Like 50 points odd in this 20,000 ranges. That's okay. It's like Nifty plus. That's it. So you can see this trend line. So it may be helpful for you in coming when you are learning the markets very well with MAT 1.0 technicals. So you can see this line has become a super range, right? So how to draw this also, that's the most important thing. So foundation classes, what you're going to learn that. So they're gapping up somewhere over here, somewhere over here. Yep. They may consider to retest this point. So that may be the chance. So Bank Nifty is gapping up around 44,993. Uh, Somewhere over here again, this becomes a very strong range. As I told you, I mentioned in Telegram also. Uh, Little important ranges for Bank Nifty. I mentioned in the master chart, you can see here 45,105. So this becomes a very important range. They may drop down and test this also, but it depends upon market makers. Specifically, I'm telling you. And don't come and hold my collar. So why didn't it happen like that and all? So open markets, let's see and focus how better we can trade. We'll work on it. Okay. So Friday, I hope many people have enjoyed a lot of trades, a lot of money you have made. I'm so happy and glad for you people. Mm, and coming to the point, today's what we are going to work. So today it's going to be like very important fundamental factor what you're going to learn here. Uh, how to channelize your works with discipline. And as usual, the stop loss never changes. Toffee stop loss I'll be looking down for. And I don't want to risk my money. That's the first point. Always it's in the mind. So I hope you understand it better. So capping up is one corridor. What they made 707. It made a high on 45 500. So that's okay. So that's not my cup of tea for today. So my game is totally different today. There is two possibilities. So let me trace out the possibilities first. See, always most important thing in your life as a trader is uh, be patient. Don't ever, never ever feel that this time is different, that time is different. So whenever you get a chance, you work on it. That's it. So 44,700 call was a good trading setup that day. and 44,000. Okay, 45,300. Oh, so how much is 100 points? 100 points variation is okay. 44 200. Sorry, 45 200. Okay. Let me look at some easier way how we can grab the markets and make some reliable money. Open markets, 45,200 puts. Uh, Closing is 470, sorry, 460, but pre-market has closed down. It's okay. Very important ranges I'm going to tell you. Like 100 points if I discount, 110 points, 50 points, or 390 is going to be a very important range for it. Open market. So it's opening somewhere over here. I want them to come back and test these points. So let me go up here with my other chart and check it out how much it can do better. Okay. It becomes 390 and 60 points. So it will be little open markets, little bit very cautious move. The same 44,700. We'll keep an eye on that open markets. For today, 290 becomes the strongest point today for that particular option. 44,700, 290. Below that, I'm not so flexible on it. Valuation versus validity versus time frame. It's 230 points plus 100, 330 points plus 50, 380. I think they may hit 380, 390. Open markets. It all depends. Open markets specifically, I will tell you, it's all theories and calculations, whatever it may be, but still, it depends on them. So this is the range from 44,991 to 45,105. It's a very important strong range. So let's see if I get it any cheaper. I'll look for calls. If I get it cheaper on puts, I'll definitely work on it. Nifty little bit today at this point of view of VIX, little bit I'm not fine. So that's the reason I'm little bit not focusing on it. Fin Nifty as it's a melting point, so that also little bit tug zone to make it up. So this is a very important support area. So remember that technically. So let's see. 30 seconds to go, but still I'm very chill and cool today. Nifty 19,500 calls and 19,700 puts, 19,600 also. 20 seconds to go. Let it go. Always don't try to be panicked in your works. Be chill, be cool. Puts, I have kept an order ready. I want to see how it's going to open the markets. Open markets 388. So there is no chances of buying at very low prices or something. It's not a cup of tea for the current situation of the market and trend. Uh, you can see how market is happening. So pre-market was somewhere over here, but still it has gapped down somewhere over here. So little bit untransparent, I say. Not so. Nifty 19,600 puts 107. I'll enter it. My stop loss is going to be 4 point stop loss. Small stop losses I'm going to look at. Not hefty stop losses. On calls, I'm looking down where it has traveled. 347. Unreliable areas. No, it's gone out. That's it. 3, 4 points. That's it. In open market, you want to take. Not more than that is good. 129, 130, it's trading 19,500 calls, but it can travel to 150. Risk is high, so take care on it. So these guys are taking very good strong support over here. So look at this. What's the effect? I'm just checking it out. This is a Bank Nifty chart. Relax, 3-4 points ठीक है. उसके ऊपर तो नहीं लेना है. That is my policy in markets, specifically in stock markets. It's not my cup of business. So let me see. 45,200 puts. I'll look for 375 ranges. Let me wait for more. Let them come down or what? About 400 it has hit. So that is one plus point on 44,700 calls. So I want to decide fast, but it's not the answer. You want to have patience. That is actually the business. $19,600 puts. It took a stop loss again, coming up and down. What the? 115. I want to get. I'll reduce my volume in that. That sound is not okay for me. Even on my terminals, I'm just checking it out. Opposite side also, I'm checking it out. 19,550 calls also on the game. Little bit tricky markets. Again, they came back, went up, came back, went up. Let's wait. Let's wait. 19,500 calls. Hedging. It's not helping us out too much. Okay, I forgot to check this out. 1 second. Okay, that's okay. That's good for me. Have some patience. Monday. So there is no momentum, little bit sideways. You want to stick to the points and grounds. So that actually I told you, right? They want to actually test at some points. Just waiting. They're also very strong and Nifty. So any other option buying, we can buy at lower price strikes. But I'm looking for better trade. Looking that much better. $44,700 calls, trading at 380, 375. But still, I tell you, patience is virtue today. बिना पेशेंस कुछ भी नहीं करना. जल्दबाजी में पैसा कमाने नहीं है. इट्स स्किल. आराम से पैसा कमाना. So so this is a market where you want to understand what you want to do. Puts, why I buy, I will tell you. It was based on OPSs and TTR. There was a TTR game. So that's the reason I was focusing on 45,200 puts. And yeah, little bit downscale also. I bought some volumes for scalping only. So it is little extra risky trade today. So above 460, we can look at it. Oh, I was giving a commentary there. I used. But still you want to have a lot of patience. 500 it can hit, 499, 500 areas. It may be very fast also. All depends. But still, I'll tell you, don't enter at high prices. Only enter with these flexible prices. Risking money is not good. Here now, if I'm taking any trades also, because it's a 400 rupees option, it'll be a little expensive. So that's why I don't suggest anyone to enter at high prices. Okay, today game is around, that's okay. Anybody took the risk, please take care. 30, 40 points, call should come down. So risky traders can take care about your risks very well. And anybody wants to take smaller risk or bigger risk is risk already. Smaller risk is affordability of the risk is very important. But thing is, you want to understand market very well. I want them to come. I want them to at least fill this gap, this area. But this line is very strong, so जल्दबाजी में कुछ नहीं करना. So entering at high price is stupidity, I'll tell you. So high risk is totally different, but I don't want anyone to take that type of risk for a small reward. If you're taking risk, it should be a good reward. Always that's in my mind. 19600 puts also, I think I want to hit 115, at least 115. I'm just waiting down. 114, 113. If it hit also, it's a good money. Specifically 19,600 puts. If it's not, definitely it's going to be like, obviously first trade we have taken a stop loss, I've taken a stop loss there. Actually risk has been rose to like, it'll be 1:1. That's it. Maximum for me. It's trading at 104, 105, 107. Come on guys, come on. 108. Little extra risky trades. So I don't want you guys to get in trouble. So that's always in my mind. So I take extra risk. That's a different story because it's Monday. If there is no trade, also see simple thing. Always keep in the mind. Stay happy. Simple. Relax. There is nothing written in the books, or God doesn't come and hold your collar not reading today. So money, keep it safe always. Don't burn your money. In Nifty, I will check it. What's happening in 20,050. That's good. 94. It's trading. It's actually expensive. That's not my cup of tea. It can hit 128, but risk is 10 points. 20,050 in Nifty. So risk, whatever you take, keep in mind, it should break 102 and sustain, 103 and sustain. Above 103, if it sustains, it will hit 128. I think so. So let it get and sustain till then. Let's focus on it. 19,600 put 108, 109 again. 111. Come on, guys. Book out. 112. Arey, yaar. Come on, guys. Come on. Orders were taken 114. Oh my God's sake. It was actually a little skeptical because I know this guy is from from very long time. So I'm managing 3 orders, 3 trades. Actually, means Bank Nifty was little expensive for me for to suggest to take risk. 486, it may had hit, but the stop loss is for 20-30 points is shearing down because the volume is just 9,22,000 traded volume. So I can't pump in a lot of volume over there. So always that's a skeptical orders when you see in the market sizing. So 114.25 is the high. You can check it out on 19,600 puts. Yeah, you can see the high of it, 114. That's wow, right? I like it. I like it. Come on, guys. I think they'll make it more this time. I'm feeling so. They may fill this gap. I think so. It all depends upon market makers. But Bank Nifty things, I will tell you, I'm not greedy over here. I'm not going to re-enter anything. My 80% I have just put a limit order and executed. Means 2 slabs I booked it to be very honest. 107.5. Actually, I booked my 40% volumes. Rest of the volumes, maximum volumes I transferred to 114. 113.75 also some HFT orders were there. Reason is I tell you right, some rejection points comes in the market, so you want to be ready for it. So always momentums you want to capture. At the same time, you want to understand market dynamics a little bit. Like sometimes I don't want to trouble all the retailers over here. So retailers doesn't know sometimes what happens is new people who do live tradings, uh, they'll get skeptical taking orders, right? Simply don't manage the volume sizing and all. My volume sizing is totally different, and obviously my risk and rewards. Very practical today. Chandrayana is there. News is there based on that. So they completed this gap, but Nifty they didn't do it. It's okay. Uh, Somewhere still I feel that these guys can go up, but still I don't want to take much risk at this point. These guys, where did they come up and just moving up and down? That's crazy. Sideways market, guys. I'll tell you, they'll wantedly hit both sides. Call buy karo, put buy karo, they'll definitely screw your happiness. That one condition they may do it. I'm just guessing. This is my just a guess point. I'll tell you. So I'll tell you, be very cautious on whatever you do. My convictions are whatever it may be, whatever I trade also, I have some like fundamental things very well. So till they don't break or I'm not comfortable with the price, I won't buy it. If only if I'm having like, okay, I can manage this trade and risk, I can hold this. So then I go back and work on it. 106, 107 back to, I think they will pump it up now. 107, 108. Nifty, Bank Nifty, little I'm not comfortable. The reason is you saw how quickly they are coming down on things. So string it out, like please be cautious on them. So my targets are almost 500, 490, 500 targets. Like they're almost done over there. So 478, 486. Or once it at 486, you want to imagine for the 10 points or 15 points lalach, you may be losing the 30 points when it downgrades. That should not happen. Happens in new order, you know that very well. 19600, 107.9 it was the order, 113 it's trading. So just want to see how good or better or bad what they're going to do. I really want to scalp it because 117 plus 118 plus 70-80% I'm out, because let it be 1:1, because momentum is very important in market situation and conditions. I want to burn my capital. So 80% out. 80% I'm out. Uh, I'm not sure how much they're going to give. So it was a little tricky market. They hit the stop loss, here, and again they came down. But why they? I just calculated premiums and just entered that. So little bit fluffy markets. Uh, and even focused markets, you know very well. Stop losses, bina stop loss, bina volume sizing. Never ever imagine of entering the markets, stock markets. I'll tell you, excuse me, extremely sorry. First trade, I want to enter a Nifty 19500 calls. I'll be taking half of the volumes what I took before in other trades. Uh, because it's little risky trade. I'll tell you, my stop loss is going to be like 7-8 points. Uh, that's it. At least at this point of view and market conditions, I should get a little extra. It may happen. It may not happen. That's a different story. Uh, and small sort of 20% volumes have trailed my stop loss on 19600 puts. So it will be like hedge warrior positions. But still, that risk I took based on time frame, just based on time frame. So I don't want anyone to take that risk. Seriously, I'm telling you, don't enter till you know what's the risk point. 128 it can hit in 19600. See, stop losses taken out in uh, simply they took out stop losses in 7 points out in 19500 calls, right? So now I actually squared off because little ideology I have. 123.6 is the high. That's good, not bad. That's okay. Puts, if you're trailing, please take care about your puts in 19600 puts. And 510 is the high in 4500, sorry, 45,200 puts. Hmm. See the high, 510. But again, a risky factor you never ever see in the market is why we are working on it, why we should work on it. Specifically, one more dynamo I forgot to mention, 20,050 fin nifty. If anybody has watched it, I told you about 103. So it gave 10 points quickly, 113. I may be having a little more extra targets also, but I say, and also I want you to be preserved and safe. So don't take risk at this point because market is hitting the stop losses. Means HFTs are planning something. So let HFT plan something. We'll also plan something. So stick to the rules. Don't break your brains. Have patience. Very much patience you want to have. Lot of patience you want to have, guys. Pre-market have given 44,700 bottom say. So let's see how much is going to work it out. Not so comfortable with working on puts at this point of time, at current condition of the markets. It may be like stop loss hitting. Seriously, I'm telling, little extra volatile market is. Be very cautious. They will hit a lot of stop loss. It's just my they will hit a lot of stop loss today. Chandrayana success, they will definitely celebrate. That's my assumption. They may not also. If Western countries want to sell off this. Give me a minute. I'm just checking it out. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. We'll get that money. We'll get that money. No issues. We'll get that money. 115. It's trading. uh 15,600, sorry, 19,600 puts, and 14 to that range it's trading. They may celebrate or not celebrate, I don't know, but definitely I'm going to celebrate my profits. So there is chance of making extra money, I feel so. Still, I'm just calculating how much better we can do. That's just one thing I'm just calculating. These people get hyper skeptical today. I know what they are doing. I know what they are doing. That's good for me. That's really good for me. Uh, that's really good for us. So I just want to check it out. Just want to come back to Nifty. Okay, that's good. That's good. Really good. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's really good. That's amazing. 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 Okay. I got it. I got it. I got it. So, Uh, 40 points down. So 40 points down in that, I'll get some extra money. I've taken a risk in 19,600 again, small risk. 20,000, 50. Pin Nifty also, I'm taking a risk. Small risk, not hybrid risk. So just looking down. It'll be volatile markets, so please bear that. Stop loss is going to be toffee, 5 to 7 points maximum. And in this volatile market, even I suggest you can go directly with hedge with 19,500 calls. That's going to be little safer side. Wicks are high Wicks market. You want to be strong. Yeah. Small volumes. Remember that no big volumes in volatile. This they are doing up and down, up and down, up and down markets. So let them do up and down markets. I'll just work it out. 19,939 is untested. 940. 19,940 is untested in Fin Nifty. That is one point of mark. Still it's there. So, but the same opposite side, you want to see the calls. It's raising because of Chandrayana success. About days I'm going to freshly buy. Till then, I'm not going to buy anything today. I'm just going to sit, watch, aram se. My stop loss are got hit. That you know very well. About days I'm going to buy calls. Till then, I'm going to wait. That's good. That's good. Amazing. Amazing. About SI, I'm going to go for a fresh trade. Otherwise, I'm not going to get frustrated trades. I'm going to just chill it out. I'll be so cool that you can't imagine. I'm very cool also. Again, 419.20, 415, 414. Today, retailers avoid. If you're done for the day, how many of you are in profitable? Just ping me yes. Otherwise, I'll tell you what to do. You want to stay calm. Boom, 410. For what reason? Okay. Days I've broken out. Fresh trades. I want to enter. Very tricky game it's going to be. Very much tricky. Simply don't enter without knowing the depth of the ocean. I suggest you don't enter. Don't enter. Don't enter. At this point, also, don't enter. It may be a greatest trap of the history. Pre-market, I've given you the levels of puts. Check it out. 380 levels, 390 levels. It may be greatest trap I'm expecting. So be very cautious at this point of time. Given you the levels. I've told you the levels of 45,200 puts. If you've noted down, check it out. Bottom is very strong. 380 ranges. Very strong ranges. Be cautious. Uh, if you want to buy the 44,700 calls, I'm telling you, your stop loss is going to be like 20 points odd. I'm telling you, 20 points odd is going to be the SLs. So you can see this chart over here very strictly and cautiously. If they hit this point, then it's going to be Mazama in calls. Till then, it's going to be like 5:30 hard. Excuse me. Still we are here. Still we are here. Don't get into frustrated trades. Simply don't burn your money. Be very intelligent and smart. Whatever you're entering, look at the point what you're entering. I was not comfortable. Remember that. I'm never comfortable with the pricing. Hedging is different story. Simply burning trades is totally different story. Monday, have patience. Have lot of patience. It's not about Monday, it's about market situation. They are just burning the capitals of retailers. Just burning. My risk and rewards are totally different. If 390 areas also, if you are in the positions of 45,200 puts, I remind you Friday what happened. So please don't burn it till you understand the market conditions. Don't burn your capitals. Seriously, I'm telling you, that's not a right way to deal with the markets. So calls, 407 areas, 410 areas, anywhere if you've entered also, 20 points risking the money. Post breakout of this, please take care about your trades. I don't know why they are jumping. For what reason they are jumping? Premium is melting. You hit your stop losses. Be cautious. Scalp it out. Don't be greedy today. All the market weather conditions you want to deal with. Very cool. Very cool you want to deal with. Very cool you want to deal with. 405 back to 404, 405. Be very cautious. Be very cautious. They're going to trap you. They're going to trap your trades. I'm telling you again and again, warning you. Take care. They will trap you. 460 next. 45,200 puts. 427, 4. It's going to be a rugged trade. So bad trades today. They will hit everyone's stop losses. Understand the markets. It's going to be a brutal market. So it's going low profile, very low profile. See, market is when it's beautiful. One angle or one-sided markets, you make a lot of money there, right? You made it. So when market is not comfortable dealing with that business, so you want to understand that. So okay, market is like this. So how I want to be, that you need to decide. See the opposite, 45,200 puts, 434, 440, 447, 54, 460 actually hit actually. 454 was the high in just in a candle, but they have already shooted up and touched that point. I don't know why they are not showing, but still 454 is good. The data is what you're getting at ticks are not 100% accurate. Remember that. You want to square off. That's the intelligent part of the business. Right? That was little late entry, but risky trades, total risky trades today. I'll tell you personally, no, don't make it. Don't do it. Don't frustrate yourself with the markets. This is not an ideal market for you to uh, build your wealth. This is the market where you want to stop over trading, stop focusing on just making money. This is a trap HFT. I know this. This is what trap HFT also you want to understand. 55 lakhs versus 27 lakhs. So ideally, they are in some angles accumulating. That's it. 2.8 crores volume is fine. That's not my cup of tea. Understand the strength of the lines, the golden areas. See, I think this level I have given even on, I think on, I marked it on Friday itself, I think so. Game actually begins now, I think so. Let's cross the finger and see what's going to happen because a lot of big wick. This is and consolidation basis. You want to understand when this is the momentum market, that's a different story. When they're trying to shuffle up your business, so you want to be good. You want to be smart. Simply go on buy calls, go on buy puts. It's not going to help you. Bearishness is based on TTR, completely on pre-market. So I wanted them to gap down, so they didn't do it. That's okay. So okay, fine. Sometimes it happens. So this range is a range for now. Uh, one trade I want to take. It will be a risky trade. I will not tell anyone to take risk on calls. 44 700 calls, trading at 384, 381, 384 ranges. Uh, small trade I want to take. I've taken it. 383 I have taken. Reduce my volumes completely. Reason is the risk is going to be like above the head. So it's a risky business today. Don't trade. Retailers, small retailers, just watch it, understand how I'm working on it. Volume sizing, I'll tell you, thin volumes I'm doing today because I play hard only when market is comfortable. I'll tell you. When market is uncomfortable, it will be very hard for you to manage your risk. So that time, example, every day I'm trading at example, let's take 10,000 volumes. So I can't trade today at 10,000. I should reduce my volumes to 1,000 or 2,000. You got my point? Not above the 2,000. So that mark should be there in the mind. And market is beautiful. For 10,000, I'll play at 10,000. So that is my attitude towards the market. I may be taking like 10, 15 points risk on this trade, but still I'm okay with the 10, 15 points because something I know that this risk is based on some other's profit. So some other profit I got it. So based on that, I take small risk on this. So volume when I reduce, automatically my losses also reduces. So if I punch out the 10,000 at this point of time, if it hits 20 points, so it will be like 2 lakh rupees losses. But the same time, if I trade at 2,000 volumes, what will happen? 20,000 rupees or 40,000 rupees. So means three-fourth of my risk reduces, right? So but I'll be in profits. That's my intention. So I'm taking a toffee risk, but my reward will be like open. Means I want like extra reward for 15 points risk. I want a 30 points reward, or first 1:1 I'll book out 50-60%, rest of the volumes I can trail my stop loss. So this ideology mathematical thing can only work and make you a profitable trader. So till you understand this myth or this what to say fundamental thing, the process of working. Actually, I will tell you this is the very best market where you learn discipline. Not every market you can learn this. See, volatile market means example some one-sided market. So पैसा कमाया 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 चलो super hit आप hero बन गया. But what about the other phase of you? When market is bad, na, when you enter, start learning there. Really, I will tell you, you will learn totally different angles, totally different concepts, how to survive in hard times. So good times तो बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए, good time तो good time ही है. Hope you guys understood, right? And always have a backup idea. So if I take this 15 point stop losses, so always I have that backup idea. Seriously, I will tell you. If I take example, in case if it hit my stop losses also from 383 areas, if it hits at 15 points odd stop loss. Example, let's take 20 points odd stop loss. XYZ, I'm telling you, because of volatility, I'm telling you, not because of anything. What is my finishing point? So time is ticking up. So I don't want to like waste the time over here. So what I will do is I'll just go. I just want to square off. Square off ही नहीं करना. वो तो hit हो गया. खत्म. Tata bye bye. Stop loss has hit. So now what I want to do? I want to shift my ideas. So where I can make some money. Yes or no? So I feel that how much money I can make, I should calculate now. So if it can make like 3x of money, example, totally per day, my risk is going to be 2 to 3% maximum. My risk is overall capital, pura capital. But today I reduce my risk even 1% down to 2%. Why I reduced it? Because when something is not happening, you want to not tell that, nah, usko chahiye, this is going to happen, this is what I want to make. It's not going to happen like that. This is not, this business world not going to happen. Don't enter. I'm not going to enter puts also now. I'll wait for my business. I'll wait for my things. Like, okay, this is my practical panel. So I want to enter this. I want to reduce this. I want to make this. I should have that big ticket thing in the mind always. If I don't have that, I can't make money in the business. So that always in the mind. I want to enter, how will I enter now? So why should I enter? See, they hit my stop loss and came back to 383, 384, 385 areas. Example, I will tell you. But if I go and foolishly buy here, example, क्या होगा? You should think. Again, if they come and hit my stop loss, right? So I'll just go. Now I'll show you. Now I bought it 45,200 puts. Thin volume. Very thin. I will explain you this actually in the classes today. What happened with that? Students know, specifically old students who are listening to it, TTR students, specifically TTR students, focus on it, what I'm doing. Because today, where I bought it also, you just wrote it down. Why 420 areas I bought it, write it down. And what will be my risk also, just calculate it. How I'm going to turn my tables. Last 15 to 17 points stop losses to profits, check it over here. 430. 10 points odd, already I'm in, right? Same 15 points, I'll cover it up now here. Check it out. Right? You want to be very intelligent, means you want to be special person. Simple person nahi hona hai. Trading is not for like small, means just offended. Like, okay, हो गया यार सबका वैसा नहीं है. You got my point. See here, 15 points covered up. So first order, khatam. 445, 443. Are you getting a grip on it, what I'm doing? At least are you able to understand it? So 20 point फटाफट मिल गया. So for this 20 points, how I've worked it. So calm mind, peaceful mind से काम करते तो काम means पैसा मिलेगा. If you're working like, and it's also volume slabbing, 70-30 ratios, और depend upon market conditions, market ऐसा है, so आपके पास कुछ strategy है already to deploy it. So you go for at least in this volatile market 80-20 ratios. So 80% में square off कर दिया पूरा. मुझको I don't have any greed, stupidity. 10 पॉइंट अच्छा मिल रहे तो आई ऐड अप 3 पॉइंट्स मोर, 23-24 पॉइंट्स हो गया पूरा. 2 5 है ना, 5 में स्प्लिट करो कितना हो गया? 10 पॉइंट, 15 पॉइंट, 3 पॉइंट्स ईच पर स्क्वायर लॉट्स. तो कितना हो गया? So that's how you want to have an attitude. नहीं तो पैसा नहीं मिलेगा. So how did I cover my losses and turn it into profits? Front of you I'm doing. Why I told you to write it down? Definitely it's a very big lesson, I will tell you. For all the students I'm telling you, see, old students है या new students है, math 2.0 का है, 1.0 का है. Specifically, one thing is always common here is maths, ideology, market in depth. So everyone is going behind something, you don't go behind it. You go always against it, you will win. Life ऐसा है, जिंदगी ऐसा है. Don't go behind something. Don't go behind crowd. वही है, एक ही चीज है. लेसन हो गया, मेरा प्रॉफिट बुक कर दिया मैं. सही है ना? Was I idiot to book that profits there? Very clarity way. नहीं है ना? सही है ना? What I'm doing is right ना? To be honest and serious, I never watched this also. Means chart, ये chart नहीं देखता हूँ मैं. Means for your references I'm putting over here. Very importantly, for your references. Right? मैंने क्यों 80% बुक कर 20% को मुझको रिस्क लिया मैं, और 20% को क्यों लिया? TTR students know very well today. So purely it's based on TTR, I will tell you. It's not based on anything. ये 20% में आई टोल्ड यू राइट, ₹2 कैलकुलेट करो, 3 पॉइंट टू स्प्लिट इट अवे. ओ माय गॉड. सो नाउ व्हेन इट स्पाइक्स, हैव सम आइडिया. So where is the next point it can reach? So don't look at this This chart is like basic for you. I'll tell you, go and look for bigger time frames. Go and look for bigger time frame. आप bigger time frame नहीं देखते हैं, इसलिए आप हारते हैं और कुछ नहीं. I look at bigger time frames, that's why I win. You get skeptical with small things. So you get this grip only based on your experience. Experience को छोड़कर दुनिया में कुछ नहीं है. I'll tell you, experienced player plays more well, better than anyone in the world. Even AI, he will beat AI. Do you think these people who are making the market are like common people, normal people? नहीं है यार, IITians है, बड़ा बड़ा लोग है. IITians, BlackRock means they would have worked in huge big firms. They have been so super developers. They are working with machines. So you are competing machine. When a human is competing machine, you want to be ultra genius. That's why I tell you want to have a multi-billion gallons of mercury in your brain. So that's why I tell always start meditating. It helps you improvise you. It gives you gallons of gift. पैसा काम करते तो पैसा मिल जाएगा. But everybody who invests is not making money. Think about how many people lost money in this game. Just imagine in this game somebody bought it over here. Example, ऊपर चल जाएगा, भाग जाएगा, ब्रेकआउट हो जाएगा. कितने लोग पैसा कमाया? I know retailers 100% 100% भी पैसा कमाया होगा. Not 99, 100 to 100. But think at opposite side. वहां पे so here 0.00 कितना जीरो डालना? जीरो कम हो जाएगा. So 0.0001% people making money sitting silently. Who are they? They are genius players who are sitting in. If you're watching today completely, it's not a mistake. I'll tell you, today is a very great lesson. Abhi example I'll tell you, lifelong there is a journey. Concept समझो क्या हो रहे हैं. You want to understand the machine first, then you will understand the market later. So machine में क्या हो रहा है means how they are deploying. Understand the deployment. You should know that heartbeat within next first 10 minutes of the market. समझ लेना 10-15 मिनट में समझ लेना पूरा. हाँ, this is the market है यार, यही काम है. This is they are going to do, this they are going to do, XYZ, खत्म, kill. Get that grip ना, whole day you can trade without any pressure. Cool, chill. मेरा पास ग्रीडी नहीं था आज. मेरा दिमाग में यही था कैपिटल सेफ होना. मुझको 1% भी कमा लिया, बस खत्म. लॉस में नहीं चल जाना. I take multiple stop losses. Still, why I take that stop losses 5 rupees, 6 rupees, 7 rupees stop losses? I could have taken 40, 50 points. Right? It will be running in your mind. So once or twice you hit 40 plus 40, 80 points, like 100 points stop losses. I swear on God, for the third trade, you will not have either money, or if you have money, lot of money also, you will not have guts to take the right trade. But consistently, if you know that, okay, this is my point, this is 10 point, 15 point का risk है, my reward कितना है? If I didn't take the stop loss at 44,700 calls, like 10, 15 points, exactly I took like 14.75 points stop loss. So if I didn't take the stop loss, today I'll tell you, I swear you, मैं यहाँ पे, if I taken that 40, 50 points swap off, I'll be thinking, अरे यार क्या बकवास है मार्केट में, क्या हो रहा है? This start irritating you. Building, I'm just helping you to build your mindset, guys. First, to build your mindset. Stock market, trading, MAT 2.0, TTR, कुछ भी हो. First, thumb rule is always mindset. दिमाग तंडे से काम करते हैं ना. If you have a coolest brain in the world, strongest brain, strong means cool, neutral brain, you'll keep on winning. If you lose, you'll be neutral. If you win, you want to be neutral. That's the two things, two mantra of successful trader. और कुछ नहीं बचा है. Don't come and tell me सर यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट में कॉल बाई कर दिया, मीन्स बुकिंग तो किस कौन करेगा बुकिंग? यू नो द सिचुएशन ऑफ द मार्केट कंडीशन, राइट? क्या करना है समझ लेना। उसके ऊपर तो हम भी ट्रेड लिया, राइट? बेस्ड ऑन दैट कॉल्स तो बाई किया हमने, तो क्या हुआ? स्टॉप लॉस हिट किया, राइट ना? सिंपल यार, मार्केट इज वेरी सिंपल, बट डोंट फाइट विद द मार्केट। यू शुड ओवरटेक द मशीन्स, दैट्स इट। अंडरस्टैंड द मशीन्स, पैसे बन जाएगा मार्केट में, बिल्कुल पक्का, पक्का पैसा बनेगा। What can happen? I'll tell you next few hours. What's the plan of the operators today? Uh, कुछ भी हो, I'll tell you till 10:30 whatever is there is the profit, and post that. See, today I have taken like extra trades uh, because of market conditions. नहीं तो एक दो ट्रेड में तो खत्म गेल, मैक्सिमम 3 to 4 ट्रेड्स, उसके ऊपर क्या है? कुछ नहीं है। Today I think operator is waiting for my video. क्या डालेगा चंदन? Most genius people and skilled people are introvert people, not extrovert. Remember that. Let them do. अरे अरे अरे, ये कैंडल ऊपर गया नीचे गया. You will be thinking differently, but I am sitting silently and waiting for my price to rebuy something. That is the difference between a regular business person and a pro business person. खत्म. कुछ भी हो मार्केट में, मुझको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. If I want to re-enter any trades also, I'll know my risk. I'm not a stupid to see the candlestick and go and buy. See, I swear on God, I don't see anything what's happening. I'll look at my watch, that's it. I look at the watch, I feel the market beat. पहला चीज है. And most important is, above that is technicals. Technical already I know the levels, what level it can hit, what the breakout, what the resistance. सामने है. Why I want to use my brain here? I don't want to feed my brain pressure here. खत्म, टेक्निकल तो खत्म. दोनों चार्ट है, मास्टर चार्ट भी है, नॉर्मल चार्ट भी है, दोनों भी है, खत्म. I will not risk any of my positions now. If I want to risk, I'll risk like I want to get something big. नहीं तो काम नहीं करेगा यार, क्यों करना है? You have never, operators who are listening to it, I'll tell you, you have never met so insane, pathetic market trader in the world. So I'll compete your missions. I know you are listening. I can guess 99% of my times my guess won't go wrong. And I know you will hear this. I'll compete any missions you bring to markets. But don't worry, I'm not going to make it for 10 lakhs people this live trades. So my team is very small and we want few of the billions which you looted from retailers. That's it. A few $1 billion. That's it. Okay, let's go here. Again, 420 ranges. It's trading. Somewhere I'm getting, looking at their momentums. Somewhere I'm getting that frequency that again they may shoot up. Uh, Even 20 points is okay. I have taken a smallest volumes in my terminals. 20 पॉइंट के लिए. Man, I'll make you cry. Operators, seriously, I'll make you cry. You bring more worst markets, more worst I'll make you. You will be keep on melting. I'll lose less. Very small light volume, thin volumes are taken. Very thin volumes this time. But I don't want to buy my uh, profits. So very thin volumes I took it. My risk is going to be the same. Top risk I'm going to take this time. Very top risk. If my guess is not wrong, okay, I forgot to inform you what TTR. Okay, okay. I'll make a new group on it. Okay, that's cool. That's great. That's okay, guys. That's okay. I'm not a crybaby to hit. They hit my stop loss. I'm not a crybaby to sit here and tell you, explain you that they hit my stop losses. I'll not tell you itself. Some things. Uh, Sometimes. Hmm. Still, again, it's a good support. Like 392, it's the next support, and current support is 415. Okay, let me recheck it. It's okay. I'm not going to trade over trade now, so I'm just going to watch it. I want to be in. I'll take the entertainment of the market makers now. Let them do. Let them do. Let them do. That was a good question. I think you entered entry is very good. One more question is there. 1 second, I'm going to answer it. Give me 5 minutes. Okay, 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 okay. Got it. Got it. That's the best entry, so that's the best entry. I'll tell you. That's actually a good entry you did with me. They want to go back and hit up. Let them do. You got me there. Sometimes, no, in live trading, we can't explain that. So, understand how bad boys are these guys. So, machines, when you're competing, guys, you want to be that. You want to be that genius, extra genius. You should fool them. That's it. You should fool them. Obviously. If they want to fool you, you go back and fool them. That's it. Law of attraction. I swapped it. So, yeah. So, fine. I hope everybody has enjoyed live trading till now. Today is actually the greatest lesson, I'll tell you. Fantastic, phenomenal. I'll tell you one of the best learning material you are getting today. How to deal in worst markets and crazy markets. I think I should write a book on it. Uh, some patterns, like this is looking like a pattern for me. I don't know about others, how it's looking for them. Uh, this looks like a pattern where they make it. I think some patternized traders who are working in uh, based on any other subjects in the past, if you worked on some patternized business, I think you understand it very well. So no, don't risk your money, sir. Nah, 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 nah. Still untested is there, Oper ka. Contested, there is lot of channels outside. Oh my god. If I keep on telling, it will take a decade for me to explain. Let's see. 440, 460, everything is there on the card. It depends. It may not hit also. It's all depend upon the market makers. Don't pressurize or indulge in unwanted businesses. Most risky markets, these are all. The deployment of fund itself is a wrong method. This market is just to watch, understand. That's it. And it's good for scalpers, only pro scalpers, not like call buy karo, put buy karo, paisa gawao, वैसा नहीं है. करो यार. I think you understood my point. So now tell me, market let it go anywhere, yeah. Come on, tell me, how many of you actually uh, took something very important, interesting note on the markets today, and how many of you did something well today? I want in the Q&A section, I want a complete output. Yes, exactly. Beautiful. Please write it down. Everyone I want, because I want to understand your, means I want to understand you, how you are understanding. So it will help me to nourish more. So to give you more better ideas or to build something better to you, according to you. Nice learning experience from you. One is patience, second is pressure capital, minimum risk. If win loss, try to book max at break even. Yes, exactly. That's beautiful. Never be greedy and give away the profits. Yes, precise entry and exit. Exactly. That is beauty. Not bad, Manju. It's good. Gopal, wonderful ideas between market and market makers. There is huge difference between you and regular traders. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. That's what I tell now. This live trading concept now, people get fear. So today I told the same thing in Twitter, two sides also, in Traders Tech also, and my this thing also. Try to hunt you. The ideas will come up now. So they want to buy something. I know what they're buying already, but I don't want to disclose it. To be very swear on God, I don't want to disclose it. I will not disclose it also. So there are some thumb rules that you should not disclose. So confidential things. Because once you are in that positions, you will know that valuation, where you are, why you are, what they are. Till then, you will not understand this. Okay, you will not understand this theories. Okay, so patternized things. Nifty is better pattern compared to these guys. So if you are a pattern trader, work on patterns. If you are not non-pattern trader, don't work on it. Superb. So I made some like 4.5K today, but learning was great. Thank you. You are in profits. That's like I told you, like 0.0001% today of the club in Indian stock market today. Riders also are in losses. Currently, I saw my one of the feed. Excellent, sir. Excellent. What about others who are very silent? I want to hear from you before 10:30. I want some clarity. Mm, That's actually maturity. Superb, superb, superb. 44,785 is still pending. That's yes, sir. Yes, 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 yes. Let them do so. I'm just, I'm just watching because positionals there are a lot of trades, so I'm managing that. Don't burn capital. See, if you're not getting trades, see, call by Karo, market came down, suddenly go and buy calls, puts. It's not an ideology where you actually want to work on the markets. You actually want to see opposite. What is happening in reality, there you should go and check it out. That's how this business works. It's okay. That's okay. Let people do whatever they want. You focus on your work. That's it. See, candlesticks will pull you guys. I'll tell you, ये काम पैसा नहीं बनेगा कैंडलस्टिक से आपको. Today specifically, if you want to risk 10 to 15 points or 20 points, you'll get 15 points or like 20 points or 1:1 maximum. Let's take 15 points or yeah, 1:1 maximum. It may be even less also. Nifty, just taking one trade. I've taken a trade in Nifty. Pulse. Now see the wicks and candles. How it's doing. So beautiful, no? Oh, 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 oh. My quantity is thin. I told you in the morning. Like today, I'm not going to risk anything big. I want to make money. That's it. That's my capital should be preserved first. Next is all profit. Give it profit tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Also, that's okay. First is capital preserve. That's really good. Up move. That's really good. 15,000. See, I'll show you spot chart, master chart. This is a spot chart, master chart. Upper range is very huge. So this range is going to be like this. You have a gap 19,700 ranges. That is very huge gap. Like it's not like a small gap. 125 points or actually 19,550. And also on other terminals, two terminals are taken a trade. Uh, 50, OTMs also are taken one trade. In small account, actually, this was like a good trade. 138, 139. That's actually less on the, let's say, 40, 140, 35, 40. 138, it's trading. 145, if I get it's 140 plus anything, it's working out for me. 139 is the high. Just looking out for booking. So it depends. Bank Nifty, please take care. Not so much comfortable with that at this moment because uh, stop losses, hefty stop losses. So I want to break my head. Stop losses maximum 2-3 points this trade. 19,500, 130 plus are taken. 130, 131 approximately you can give, but I'll take 2-3 points stop loss for rest of the volumes. See, I want to risk my positions. The thumb rule, no, you should not give the money to markets. Stop losses said Tata, bye bye. That's it. Back to 131. How great that going to do? You want to be very super strong in your brain. So attitude, if you don't have that super strong attitude, you can't win the trades. You can't win the machines. If you are competing with machines, think about like that. You are like an AI. 33 back to 131. It's okay, man. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Back to 134. Oh, 134, 134. Not bad. Small account trade. I'm good today. Just one trade I had traded. That's it. Small account. Large account also I traded very thin. Everything is in profits till now. So be cautious here. Markets are not comfortable. So 10:30, 10:40. I think बंद तो करेगा हम. टाइम क्या हो गया और 1 मिनट बचा है. क्या होगा? Very tricky day. Back to 135. Oh, further I think you will take care, guys. I want a good comments, a review, come back from whatever you're doing. That's a wrong question, bro. It's a very wrong question. Multiple terminals, that doesn't make sense. Profitable trades is very important sense. Because I was already done with large terminals. So small terminals, like the challenge terminal is there. So I told you last time I'm reducing my volumes, means reducing my capital more and more, more and more, more and more to make sure that every week, so I turn it into very good profitable so that it helps that actual the data will help retailers to boost up if we give the data to them how I worked it. So it will be actually plus for retailers. So for all people, only for everyone, for you people also it includes. So I'm working on that. That's it. Just to make sure to you to understand that पैसा बनता है मार्केट में तो डागत है. You just want to stick to the plan. Golden rule ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಏನು ತರಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. It's very hard to trade on multi-terminal sometimes, not sometimes. If one thing miss out, you will screw yourself. So not suggested for anyone. It's very hard subject, I'll tell you. So most of my work is done. So 19500 calls also. I hope you understood very well. Today it's a very great learning on Mat 2.2, and I think today on learning concepts I'll learn. Yeah, definitely. And don't, if the candles comes down slightly, also don't go on short without knowing the basement of the stock market or the basics of what happening in the markets. Don't overtrade. So the first thing is don't overtrade, wait and work. Don't listen to the crowd, focus on your terminals. Focus on your plans, focus on your ideas. Don't focus on anyone. Forget everyone in the world, just focus on you. Only you, and the markets and the strategies which you're implementing in the markets. Enough. Okay. So it's going to be 10:40. Oh, I had told you, I promised you. So till 10:40, we'll be having the live trading sessions further. I'm super chill, guys. So I'm very chill guy. Very super chill today. Nifty. I'm just checking on the Nifty things. Nifty concepts. Nifty, if they break this point, I think we will hit 19,363. Small ranges are there, not huge ranges. So 50, 60 points ranges, they may hit it up and then. So fine, take care about your trades. So I'm done and dusted for the day. Not huge profits, to be very honest, but really not bad for this worst condition of markets. Like 2% is very good. So 2.4%, 2.43% gains approximately, I'll tell you. Not much. Bigger terminals, no risk money. Small terminal, you wanted that, right? What is my ROI? Like almost, yeah, it's running. Still have my small trade. So I'll tell you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. So 10:40 will close the terminals. So I will close my session, live trading session. See you evening. We'll be getting a fresh link. So get ready for it. Stay tuned to it. Don't do any wrong trades. Stick to the plan. Work on it. Don't overtrade. Preserve your profits. Preserve your capital. Opportunity will be keep on coming. Okay. What's the next target, Chandan, for 19,500? So 19,500. 19,500. If actually it gets a good grip, 160, it should get a grip. I'll tell you, it should get a good grip of volumes. Then only you can make money. Huge grip it wants. Huge grip, if it gets, definitely you make money. Let's see, Odi. So I'm not shorting till next 15-20 minutes. I'm not interested in shorting. So that thing I'll just like to clarify with you all. So I'll be looking forward for some scalable moves upside. 50-60 points more in Nifty. Bank Nifty already have levels, so I don't need to teach you again and again. Bank Nifty levels are front of your table, so take care. So mark it down, note it down, work on it. That's it. Okay. Any doubts? Ask me fast. Superb, sir. Superb. Took some trade. Scalping or 20 points or in profits. That's good. I shifted to Nifty. The only reason I hope you guys understood very well. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 145 above खड़ा होना है वो लोग 19500 का. Then they may get some good, uh, better moments. So it's already 10:30. So I don't suggest anyone to go and break their head. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. So that's cool. That's cool. That's great for everyone. ब्रेकआउट नहीं हुआ तो मैं क्या करूंगा सर? मेरा पास तो 1 लाख करोड़ नहीं है पैसा मार्केट को मैनेज करने के लिए. ठीक है. राइट ना. हाँ. So please understand reality of the markets. And then work. That's okay. That's cool. That's cool. Honestly speaking, nobody has such a cool brain like you, sir. Cool brain ऐसा होता है कि meditation. Do meditation. Daily 1 hour do meditation. You can sit for 3 to 4 hours consistently. Lacking of time, use it. Whenever you get time, charge it. It's a battery to your brain. So recharge karo, meditate karo. Meditate a lot. How sure you are? It's a nonsense question. Stop loss roko pehle. First keep your stop loss on your trades. Surety, warranty, guarantee. These are all not mature people speak. Mature people will always look for how much risk. Done. 10:40. We'll shut down terminals, all the terminals. Even I'm going to take out today. I want to take peaceful rest today. I'm done. I'm happy with all the trades. I'm just squaring off all the positions. Small account, I'm almost small profits, like 5%, because it's very small terminal and just like 2 to 3 trades, 2 trades, I think so. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. So any questions you have, just drop it to my WhatsApp. Any updates that I'll make it in the WhatsApp. So take care. Have wonderful day ahead. Don't risk your money until and unless you know the concept of the markets or very sure about the trades. Don't give your money to market or market makers. Save it for very good markets, momentums, which is going to come further. Take care. Thank you so much. Have wonderful day ahead. Jai Hind. Bye-bye.